Hi, in this lesson we will start building the user interface of our app using Bulma CSS. So let's install Bulma CSS. We'll use npm I Bulma to install our app. Right. Now let's import the Bulma CSS using import statement. Import Bulma CSS bulma.css. It's all done. Fantastic. Now we'll start creating our navigation.vue component in the components folder, and I'll be using the Sublime snippets I have to create the basic component, and blnav is the navigation component of Bulma CSS. We need to modify the styles a little bit, so creating a brand text now. Font size should be 1.3 EMs, and font weight should be bold, and text transform should be uppercase, and we need to use the brand text class. Now after that we'll just import our navigation component in App.vue from the components folder and register the component in App.vue as a child component so we can use it in App.vue. So here is the navigation tag to use the navigation component. Oh, okay, it doesn't look that good. We may need to remove the header styles to fix this. Okay, all right, this looks good.